Hi guys, so I got done with my IIM Amritsar's interview and if you guys remember हमें फॉर्म फिलिंग के टाइम पे अपनी CV भरनी थी IIM अमृतसर के फॉर्म के लिए. So I was expecting कि वो लोग उस CV फॉर्म से questions पूछेंगे, but no, they did not ask anything from that. No HR questions, no tell me about yourself, nothing. They only asked me GK questions और थोड़े मोड़े academics के questions, very like general knowledge type of academic questions also. तो if you guys remember हमें email पे एक time मिला था. उस time पे they send a list of students जो particular order में they would take the interview. तो मेरे से पहले 6 लोग थे इंटरव्यू के लिए एंड आई थॉट कि 1 घंटा तो मुझे पक्का वेट करना ही पड़ेगा, बट अपेरेंटली नो. मतलब like I just waited for 25-30 minutes and that was it. And even my interview lasted only for 5 minutes. It was the shortest interview I ever took. So I will quickly tell you what all questions they asked me. So first they asked me which university you studied from and which year you graduated and which course did you study. And on the basis of this, the next question was what is diminishing marginal utility and give me an example of it. After this, they asked me what does the Monetary Policy Committee in India do and who are the members of it. Then he asked me who is the governor of RBI and who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. These questions I was able to answer somewhat. I did not know the members of Monetary Policy Committee. Uske baad, they asked me, name 3 countries that share border with Israel. This I completely did not know. So I told him I don't know this one. Then he asked me what is the US equivalent of RBI, that is the Central Bank of US. And then they asked me which institution regulates mutual funds in India and what is bank run. So I think one of it I was not able to answer and the rest, I mean, मैं कुछ आंसर्स हाफ दे पा रही थी, पूरे नहीं दे पा रही थी आई थिंक, बट इट वाज फाइन. देयर वाज नो ग्रिलिंग एज सच एट ऑल. उसके बाद फिर एक मैम भी थी. अभी तक सर पूछ रहे थे, इतने क्वेश्चन सर ने पूछा. फिर एक मैम भी थी, तो मैम ने मुझसे मैथ्स के क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे. The first question she asked me was, what is the basic difference between permutation and combination? And then she asked me, what is the role of discriminant in a quadratic equation? So that was it. I think questions तो easy ही थे. थोड़े maths के questions तो in fact CAT के syllabus से related थे. And even the GK questions that sir asked me, most of them were could be answered. So I think that was it. The interview was pretty decent, pretty chill. There was no grilling. Both the professors were very nice. And yeah, so GK में तो of course कुछ नहीं आता था मुझे. Like the countries that shares border with Israel, I did not know. So that was pretty much it. And thank you so much guys. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.